Oh dear. Sorry about that. I just, I just looked at the picture and I'm thinking this person's a joker. Oh my days. Alright, let me just compose myself. Alright. They think they're winning over you. Let them think so. Because you are on another timeline. This individual feels like they're so smart. That's why I laughed at the beginning of, like, it's just, all right, wow. Yeah, this individual really feels like they've got one up over you. They are so deluded, so deluded. You know, they were able to do the most in the past, my darling. And for some of you, right? Maybe you engaged in a tit for tat, back and forth, throwing energy at them, back and forth, whatever the case is. But they were throwing energy first, and maybe you threw the energy back, and then you just found that you were just in a loop of toxicity that was not leading to your growth. Now, this individual feels like they are still winning. So if they felt like they achieved something whilst being in this lower vibrational energy, because we've got the Five of Swords, this person wants to win at all costs. And I'm picking up it is a one-sided beef. Maybe it was a beef that you wasn't even aware about. And you're like, oh, okay then. But I'm not, I don't want no parts. Like, I've got other things I need to do, type of thing. But for some reason, we're going to find out why this individual feels the need to still try and compete with you. And they feel like they're winning. They want to trigger you. And Spirit is saying, don't fall for the bait. They are investing in the wrong things. They are investing in drama. Spirit is saying to invest in peace. This will dismantle their whole operation. You know, this person wants you to be on the outside looking in. They want to isolate you. They want you to be pushed out of some type of business project, some type of idea, some type of collaboration, some type of friendship group. They are using glamour magic, my darling. They're trying to present that they are the main character in a group, in an environment, and you are just a side character. So they could be doing the most in these environments and watching to see your reaction. They are trying to isolate you and push you out. This also could be in regards to money. For some of you, this person, because when I first saw this card, I thought, what's going on here? Someone's trying to mess with someone's money. Someone has been trying to play with your money. Someone may want you to lose a job. Someone wants you to lose stability. Because we've got the Eight of Wands and it's in the reverse. So there is someone, for some of you, right? It could be something around pushing you out of an environment. And that could tie into pushing you out of a job. So this individual could be trying to push you out of a job. They're definitely trying to gain some type of favor because they may feel like you're popular. So they're trying to rival you for your popularity. They're trying to get a lot of people on side. They are presenting themselves to be one way when they're not. And they're watching to see if they are more popular than you, if people talk to them more than you. It's very strange. But I feel for some of you, this person is trying to play with your money. So if you work with this individual, be very mindful because this person may try and push you out of a job. They may be trying to get a role so that you don't get the role, so that you end up leaving a job. They don't want you to move forward. So yeah, for some of you, this person wants you to lose a job, lose some type of stability as well. They may want you to lose this type of stability because they feel threatened by your power. They feel threatened. I feel like I'm speaking to different groups now. They feel threatened by how much money you can make. So this person has been trying to send out energy but it's not working because we've got the 8 of Wands. So whatever energy they were trying to send your way, because they are jealous of the money that you gain, the type of job roles that you gain, is what I'm picking up. And Spirit is saying how it's not working, because they've been doing it before, right? But why it's not working is because you are stable and strong in your spot. The more you stay grounded, the more this energy bounces off you, because they are trying to attack your finances for some of you. And that is serious, because obviously you need a job to pay your rent, pay your bills, pay your mortgage, look after your family, to live basically. And that's what they're trying to attack. So they could be trying to attack this also in ways of your creativity. This person's trying to attack your creativity. But again, it ties back in. It's not working because of your stability. There's something, I feel when it's like Taurus season, this is my Taurus card, King of Pentacles, things are going to change around. So maybe for some of you, whatever this person was doing, it worked. But when it is Taurus season, you're going to see a change in your career, in your finances. And bearing in mind, I wasn't laughing at you at the beginning. I was just laughing at how ridiculous this person is. Look at this. Because they're going to be exposed if they keep being in this energy. Whatever they are giving in to the situation that's toxic, that's what they're going to get back out. That's what they don't understand. And they look ridiculous doing it. And why I laughed is because they feel like no one knows. Maybe people do know, but they just don't want to even bother, connecting with them, because they just feel like, you know what. And the thing is, people do know, because this person's got a dark energy around them, whether they realize it or not. They feel like they're coming up like this, high vibrational. No, they're coming up like that. Even if they appear like this, like, sweet, innocent, their energy's like that. They've got a very dark, angry, toxic energy that surrounds them. And they are so disconnected to this fact. They feel like they're showing up in a bright, helpful way. But those that can see the energy behind the smile, right? So again, in regards to your money, whatever the case is, they have been trying to attack your money. And this could be done in numerous ways, right? This could be done in regards to either trying to aid you to lose a job, trying to make sure you make mistakes so that you end up losing a job, trying to block you from gaining future positions. And Spirit is saying, if that's been working, the more you stay strong in your spot, the more these attacks won't work. So doing root chakra meditations could help you. Changing your frequency, shift your frequency to something high vibrational, pouring into things that you love, that you like. Because this person's operating off a low vibration. But if you shift your vibration to a more grounded vibration, a more stable vibration, and if you shift your energy to the things that you enjoy, the things that you like, practicing self-care, it will shift your energy. But this person is very heavily invested in your downfall, and they want to move forward with rocking the boat, because they have this thing of, I am the queen of the castle, I deserve the money. For some of you, it could be a partner. We've got the Queen of Pentacles, we've got the King of Pentacles. They could be trying to rival you for someone. They could be trying to block something because they feel like that person is their match. You don't deserve that person. Ace of Swords. they feel like they have to cut you out of the situation. But the thing is, whatever they're doing is ridiculous on so many levels, because maybe at a time whatever they were doing had an effect, but you are on a new timeline right now, my darling. You have gained more confidence, you are more focused on what's important, you are, or spirit is asking you to be in this energy. This is Aries like energy, right? And Aries is all about taking action, going after what you want, being unapologetic, you know, having that fire, being bold, having passion for your goals, for your creativity. This is the energy that spirit is asking you to embody, because we are in an Aries year. This is the fire horse year also. And if you were in an energy of, you know, playing tit for tat, like I mentioned before, those days are over. Like, for some of you, I feel like you've shifted your energy completely. You are focused on the big prize. The big prize is, you know, maybe bettering yourself, your body, your overall health, right? You're changing up your whole regime. Some of you are preparing for a holiday abroad, travel, embarking on a new project, applying for roles, applying for top jobs, like big boy, big girl jobs now. See how she's got her back turned, and this other person is, what can I do now? Clown. Because your energy is like not even focused on that. This person feels like they're in their own movie. They feel like, you know, when you watch them films and there's always like a baddie, right? And they think that they're getting away with it. You know, like a clown crook. Yeah. I think, you know, I'm hearing Pink Panther. It's one of, is it the one where the man's wearing the long cape and the glasses? This is giving me Pink Panther, guys. This is giving me, that's why I laugh, because their energy is so ridiculous. This is giving me Pink Panther. You know, he's got that, I think it's Pink Panther, where he's got that crook that's trying to catch him, and he's wearing the long cape and the sunglasses and the hat. This is the type of energy that I'm picking up with this person. Meanwhile, you're planning an empire. This is, you see the contrast. You're at peace with yourself. You are focusing on your goals. You are focusing on your projects. You are mastering thyself, all behind the scenes. And this is dismantling any toxicity that this person tried to put up in your way. They try to block you. They want to stagnate you. They want you to be in a 9 of swords. They want you to be insecure. They want you to feel left out. They want you to feel irrelevant, because remember, that's how they feel. They want you to feel unbalanced. They want your money situation to be up and down. But like I said, look, this is the Fool card. You have come out of that cycle. They are indeed the Fool. I didn't say it. It's what it says, right? You've come out of that cycle. They could have joined you, but they chose to stay in the shadows. You are moving towards success, victory. They want you to lose a legacy. Weren't supposed to rhyme, but that's how it comes out. They are scared that you're going to partner up with someone, for some of you. And they are scared also that if you expand on your creativity, then you're going to live the 10 of Pentacles life. So for some of you, this person is trying to attack your creativity, because they fear that you may make money off this creativity. They may find, you know, they may research, oh, someone's doing that role, how much do they get, or something of that sort. They are fearful that you're going to live in a gated house or something like that, or they're fearful that you're going to gain, they want you to lose your house. For some of you, they want you to lose money so that you can't pay for your house, right? They want you to be struggling so that you, I'm hearing for some of you, ask them for help. Wow, this person's deep. They want you to need them. They don't want you to go towards someone, because they fear that if you do, this could be the outcome. A child could be the outcome. A collaboration or a different way of living could be the outcome. You're moving towards success and victory. You're going to be celebrated, right? So whilst this person is focusing on the negativity that they're choosing to focus on, Spirit is urging you not to stoop to their level, to pour into yourself, to pour into your goals, because success and victory awaits. And guess what? Let me let you in on a secret. This person knows that. And that's why they're trying to goad you and lure you to join them in their pit of despair, because they can sense on a soul level that you have success written all over you. That's why they're trying to sabotage. And if they get you to be in that tit for tat, ridiculous game with them, you're going to miss out. They want you to actually miss out. They actually do. They want you to shift your focus and focus on them and try and rival them. Your focus needs to be focused on your future, because success awaits. So even if they try and push you out and leave you out and, you know, take over certain things and tell you last or whatever the case is, remember, that's how they feel inside. They're trying to project that out onto you. And whatever they are doing that they think they're getting away with, they're not getting away with it. You know, you have God's Spirit, whoever you believe in, on your side. Your guys are all over this. You know, and I feel like this person is also upset because they may also feel, for some of you, this person wants you to be in line. They feel like you're not staying in line. This person could be very traditional, very religious, and they may feel like you are aligning with people outside of your race, outside of your culture, you know, outside of your tax bracket. You are lowering your standard. This is how this person feels. So they feel like they have to lure you back into line. And Spirit is saying those days are over. You are a non-conformist. Regardless if you come from the same background as this person or not, you are a non-conformist. And whatever they're trying to do, if they're trying to force you or guilt trip you to be a certain way, guess what? You were never that way. Yes, you may look like the family you come from, but your morals and your habits could be like other people from different parts of the world. Knight of Wands, Sagittarius card. Sagittarius they rule the ninth house, which is all about higher learning, different cultures, philosophy, spirituality, right? You are on another timeline, and this person, they're stuck, they're stagnant. They actually got left behind, guys. You know, whatever they're trying to do, it's not working. It's not working. You shift your focus. You alchemized whatever they sent your way, and you are moving towards more self-love, more peace. For some of you, a new romantic partner. This is what they don't want, right? And you're seeing the truth about this person. You're seeing that this individual is not who they said they were. You're starting to be repelled by this individual. For some of you, this person could be trying to do glamour magic so that you see someone else in the wrong light. That's what they could be trying to do. They are trying to separate you from someone else. And they may want you to see them as the prize. So you've got to be mindful. Even if they are doing this, don't let them know that you know they're doing this. But regardless of the fact, whoever they're trying to separate or push out of an environment, it's not going to work. And guess what? The jail that they planned for you is going to be the one that they rot in.